those are water.
Water, okay, good.
And then behind this pallet, there's some like miscellaneous.
Here we are at the LA Strong, our partners distributing clothing, food, makeup, jackets, children goods, babies goods, lots of clothes, women product. Amazing work. There you go, she's the leader here, Dr. Renata. Thank God they have all kinds of amazing volunteers, beautiful product.
My name is Renata and I'm here with LA Strong and Rabbi Dahan, and we are asking the community to help us out to stock our stores, our relief centers here with much needed goods for the families who are fallen victim to the recent LA fires. We're asking for donations of new towels, bedding, kitchenware, so these families who are looking for new housing can restart their lives. So anything you can do to help out with new backpacks, kitchen essentials, small kitchen appliances, we ask that you contribute, and we thank you for your kindness, for your open hearts. Thank you.